Hindi ka distributor ng mga pelikula, hindi?
I distribute foreign film.
Oh, sa foreign films na dinidistribute mo. Okay, Mr. Chairman. Hindi ka ba associated or related sa sino pang producers na kasali sa Manila Film Festival? Yes or no?
Hindi po.
So, hindi kayo in relation. Meron ka bang isang kumpanya? May pamay ka pa ba? Are you related to Axinite DG Cinema Incorporated?
Yes, sir.
So, itong Axinite DG Cinema Incorporated, ano ba to?
It's a film, we distribute foreign film.
Yes, exactly. You distribute mga foreign films. Kasi dito sa Security and Exchange Commission, lumalabas dito, 50% ka. At ang mga members na kasama mo dito, magsasabi natin ay members din ng mga industry. Pati yung nag-distribute ng Secret in the Rise, di ba? Kay Julia
Isa po
Roberts.
yun, yes.
Paborito ko yun. Yung Wala Forever. Are you sure?
Yes.
You are under oath, Mr. Chairman. Okay. Bakit nakalagay sa Facebook nyo? Lahat ng mga dinidistribute yung pelikula ay naandun sa site ng Facebook nyo. Nakalagay doon po yung lahat ng foreign films that I cited here na sila ang nag-book. At ang dalawang pelikula lamang na Tagalog na naandun ay Walang Forever at yung Buy Now, Die Later. So in other words, sila po yung nagpo-promote ng dalawang pelikulang kasama sa film festival. Mr. Dominic, don't you think it is improper for you being a member of the executive committee of a powerful committee in the Manila Film Festival promoting the movie ng Quantum Films na Walang Forever? You're a client of Quantum Films. Sino ba nanalo ng Best Picture? Di ba Walang Forever? Sino nanalo sa second Best Picture? Di ba Quantum Films also? I'm not saying, I'm not accusing the board of jurors, the board of tabulators on doing something. Pero sinasabi ng rules nyo, there should be no association, there should be no relation, pero if you are one of the members is associated with the producer of Walang Forever and the Buy Now.